Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein rice recipe ideal as a quick meal for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To cook the rice, I have already soaked 1 cup of long grain rice. Rice has been soaking for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to rinse the rice a couple of times and then I'm going to add it onto a strainer. The spices I'm using are half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 4 cardamoms lightly crushed, 1/4 of a mace, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 4 cloves. I'm heating my kadai with 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee or any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in the fennel seeds, and once it starts to splutter, add in the jeera, and once the jeera splutters, add in the rest of the spices. Give it a stir. After about 30 seconds, add in the strained rice. Add in 3/4 teaspoon sea salt and give this all a good mix. Allow the rice to get lightly roasted for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, add in 2 cups of water. Give it a stir. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Add in 1 cup of fresh green peas. Instead of fresh green peas, you can also use boiled green peas. Give it a good stir. At this moment, I have reduced the flame to the lowest. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame. Open the lid. Squeeze in half a lemon. Give it a good stir. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good stir. And my super easy, high protein matar rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice. Just before serving, I like to sprinkle some more fresh coriander leaves. So guys, do try this healthy, high protein rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.